all the interactions that I've had in the last 48 hours, people, foreign ministers have been appreciative of the role played by Pakistan, the facilitating role played by Pakistan in helping evacuate their nationals. We have evacuated diplomats as well as their staff. We've helped evacuate members, representatives of the international organizations and INGOs, and a large contingent of media, international media that was based in Kabul. We have our embassy in Kabul is working 24/7. Ambassador is in Kabul doing a great job. The Saudi foreign minister, besides discussing the Afghan situation, he expressed an interest in shifting their embassy staff that was located in Kabul to Islamabad, for the time being. And Pakistan assured him of facilitation.